Hey everyone, today we will learn how we can make it. Just see it. So we have to make these shapes. So let's start how we can make it. We have to take a square paper and fold it at the center. Now again fold it. This is second fold and another, this is third fold. And now what we have to do, we have to fold the papers on the opposite sides. Okay, now open it. Now next fold it on other sides. Now next fold. Now we have to fold it at its lines you are seeing here. Just fold it in forward and reverse direction. Now see, we have the 4 fold inside of this. What we have to do now, we just open the one outer side folds, pull out the outer side folds, now fold it, now open it. Now next on the other sides we have to pull out outer side one paper, remain two will be insides. We have to make the shape of W. So see it, this is the shape. Just pull out from here. So you will find a shape of, you can say W, or you can say this is M. We need 6 folded papers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have 6 shapes of M, or you can say W. Now next step, we have to use the Fevicol. This is, and put another shape on it. Now next, again we will repeat this process. Now third one. Number 4. Now this is the last, number 6 number. Almost we have done the work. We'll again use the Fevicol. Now see it. Now you can see we can move it. We can move it. This is, we have made a shape. Now you can make it and enjoy these shapes. Thank you for watching these videos.